In the online world of social media, one of the things that we as teachers need to teach to kids is how to increase their security online and how to be private with what they want to keep private and public with what they want to keep public. Now, privacy refers to keeping things to yourself or only having certain people see certain things. This can be accomplished on social media by keeping your accounts private so that you see who's following you and you know who's seeing your content. It's also making sure that you aren't posting anything dumb that someone else might see, because the internet, even though you might put private on your social media accounts, is still not completely private. And to increase security, you have to look into various softwares that you can put into your computer to make sure that everything on there is secure.